Guys, what's up? This is Vijay from UNBOXMATE, and from quite some time I've been seeing these rumors and leaks regarding the new OnePlus smartphone that it is going to be in the mid-budget segment, and later OnePlus has officially confirmed the existence of that smartphone and stated it as the OnePlus Nord. So after that, this smartphone has gained a lot of attention and hype, and OnePlus even teased it on Amazon saying #new beginnings with some specs revealed. So today in this video, let's check out the specs and see whether the new OnePlus Nord is worth the hype. Should you consider buying it or not? If we go back to 2014, yes, OnePlus One was launched worldwide in 2014 with the Snapdragon 801 chipset, becoming the flagship killer during that period. And after that, the series continued with OnePlus 2, OnePlus 3, OnePlus 3T and so on, and now OnePlus became a flagship smartphone maker competing with Samsung and other smartphone brands in the premium segment. So now, after 6 years, OnePlus want to come back to the mid-budget segment with this new OnePlus Nord series. So in the recent interview of the company's CEO Pete Lau with MKBHD, he stated that we are now ready to deliver a mid-range product because the technology is ready. So OnePlus now believes that they are ready to deliver a good mid-range smartphone that has a potential to perform like a flagship smartphone. So let's see what makes this smartphone different from other smartphones in this segment. Okay, now coming to the specs, the new OnePlus Nord comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with Snapdragon 765G 5G chipset, up to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. It is also rumored to come with a quad camera setup with OIS and EIS support and a dual punch-hole selfie camera. It has NFC support, Bluetooth 5.1, 4015 mAh battery with 30-watt rapid charger in the box, and the latest Oxygen OS. That's a lot, right? So, talking about the display, the new OnePlus Nord is rumored to come with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. And as it is an AMOLED panel, we can expect a good quality display panel with good viewing angles. At first, I thought that OnePlus would give us a normal 60Hz AMOLED panel, but after seeing that OnePlus Nord comes with a 90Hz refresh rate panel, yeah, that's a great thing. That's really a great step taken by OnePlus in terms of display. At first, this smartphone was rumored to come with a MediaTek chipset, but later the company has officially confirmed that it features a Snapdragon 765G 5G chipset. Yes, this is a gaming chipset and slightly upgraded version of the Snapdragon 765 5G CPU with increase in the clock speeds and increase in the GPU performance. It comes with Adreno 620 GPU with 10% faster graphic rendering speeds compared to the older Snapdragon 765. So this is a great CPU with better AI technology compared to the previous generation of 700 series. The company claims that you won't notice any difference in performance and you just feel like using a flagship phone with this chipset. So we can expect the performance to be good with the gaming chipset as it is combined with the smooth Oxygen OS. Now talking about cameras, OnePlus cameras are decent for the price, and the good thing is that most of them come with a Sony sensor. So OnePlus Nord has a quad camera setup, and I hope even this comes with a Sony sensor. The leaks suggest that it features a 48 megapixel main sensor with 8 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor and a 5 megapixel macro sensor along with a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The biggest feature in the camera segment is the optical image stabilization. Yes, we have seen so many smartphones with the electronic image stabilization, and the new OnePlus Nord features an optical image stabilization. So with this OIS support, we can expect very stable footages. I think that this is the biggest plus point in the camera segment for the new OnePlus Nord. Currently, no other mid-ranger comes with OIS support, and I think other smartphone brands should also implement it. It even sports a 32 megapixel plus 8 megapixel dual selfie camera with a punch-hole cutout. We can't judge the camera as of now, and we have to see how the camera performs after the launch of the device. Now, coming to the pricing, The main highlight feature of this smartphone is pricing. As OnePlus has become a premium smartphone mobile manufacturing company, pricing must also be high. So officially we haven't got any information regarding the pricing, and the leaks and the rumors suggest that this smartphone will be priced around 20 to 25k. As the company has officially confirmed that it is a mid-ranger, we can expect the price to be less than 25,000 in India. So in order to stay in the competition with these specs, OnePlus must launch their Nord series under 25,000. So if the base variant launches for around 20,000, then you can say that this is the most valuable smartphone for around 20,000 in India currently. But if it launches above 25,000, then I don't think that it will be the valuable smartphone, the value for money smartphone, as the other brands offer better CPUs inside their smartphones and they become better value for money in that segment. So let's see how OnePlus handles this situation and at what price will they release their new Nord series.